The Meghalaya Basin Management Agency, MBDA, invites eligible candidates for its apprenticeship program, Finance, Procedures, and Maintenance of Accounts. The last date for submission of the application is the 31st of May 2025. Name of the apprenticeship program, Finance, Procedures, and Maintenance of Accounts. Number of posts, 15. Duration, 3 months. Age limit, minimum of 18 years or above. Stipend Rs, 7,000 per month. Essential qualification, graduate or postgraduate in commerce, accountancy or BBA or MBA in financial management. Accounting and finance with first class. How to apply for MBDA Apprenticeship Recruitment 2025. Finance, procedures, and maintenance of accounts. Candidates must apply online via Google Form, as per the link provided, and no other mode of application will be accepted. Candidates are to fill the application form on or before the 31st of May 2025, up to 5 p.m. The candidate should be a resident of Meghalaya. Selection process. Apart from filled application form, resume and certificates, a cover letter stating your interest and willingness to take up this apprenticeship training program is a must. Selection based on merit as per marks secured in the degree/diploma course, as mentioned against each apprentice posts, would be one part of the selection process. Personal interview.